Hi, I'm Linda Williams with Coldwell Banker, and we are out at my newest listing, 5933 Sawmill Woods Drive. Make sure you get the drive right. Have you been looking to maybe right size and maybe have maintenance-free living? This is where it's at. Let's go take a look. Coming into this grand entrance, you look upstairs, there are two fully enclosed bedrooms, not a loft, it's a full bedroom, primary suite that's connected to the bath with two sinks. So there's plenty of space for multiple people to get ready. And then we walk into this vaulted ceiling with the great room, fireplace behind you for those wintry evenings, nice kitchen area with a breakfast nook. And then outside there's a patio, and we're on an end unit, so it's amazing. It's very private. You have your nice little morning coffee, or when it's not so chilly, you can hang out there with your friends, maybe drink a little wine, whatever you like to do. We walk in here through the galley kitchen, and then back here we have a half bath and your laundry and an attached one-car garage. This thing has it all, and it's cute as a button. So if you are looking for maintenance-free living at its finest, you have found it in this two-bedroom, cute as a button condo on the north side of town, close to everything. I'm Linda Williams with Coldwell Banker. Give me a call to see it. We'll see you then.